This video is sponsored by Squarespace. I'm going to New York today. Well, it's going to take me a while to get there, but I'm going to New York today. I've never been there, so not sure what to expect. I also lost my voice last week. Like, when I say lost my voice, I legit lost my voice and I could not talk for 4 days. So my voice may sound weird, but honestly, it's just a miracle I'm talking right now. I brought my knitting needles, even though there's tons of sharp objects. A lot of airlines don't allow this, but they allowed me. I also brought, which is even riskier, these bad boys, which I'm still kind of surprised they let me on with it, but I guess I look like a nice person. So we're headed our way to some thrift stores this morning. We're gonna try to get breakfast along the way. We decided we're just gonna walk there. It's like a 40-minute walk, or we could have taken the subway, but we decided, you know, let's just like look around and see what's in the area. So we're just gonna walk there and hopefully we come upon a nice breakfast place. So last month I did this campaign with YouTube where, oh my gosh, look. We see? It's me! Look at that! Oh my goodness! Oh, it's gone. Right? Okay. I was waiting for that. We were standing here for a few minutes, but last month I did a campaign with YouTube where I took a quilt and I turned it to a quilt jacket, and then I made a short. And I've seen pictures of the ads all over New York, and now that I'm finally here, I was hoping that they'd still be on. And they are! Oh my gosh, that was so cool. There's Gunner. There's me! There's me! What the heck? Isn't that so cool? They said that the campaign was only going on till the end of September, so I thought when I arrived here, it's October 8th right now, that it wouldn't be on. But clearly it's still on. We were just walking, you know, still walking, trying to find breakfast. And I legit see myself on the screen there. The only one in New York City that's actually standing at an ad sign waiting to watch ads. There's me! That's me. Look! That's me! That was so cool! I didn't think I was gonna be here. I honestly did not. My trip's made. Let's go. Let's get breakfast. I'm so happy. I'm so pumped. If only they had one of these in Canada, my life would be complete. Got bagels ready. It's a really good bagel. So we're kind of early. Most things not are opening until noon, so I just popped into that one thrift store. I wasn't a huge fan of it. It was just like meh. So I think I'm gonna head over to the Buffalo Exchange right now before I go over to like the vintage and other thrift stores, because that's like the only thing that's open right now. I finally have my first success. I got one thing at the L Train vintage store, which a lot of you guys recommended for me to go to, and it was really cool. The only thing is that they had a lot of items that I personally did not need, like jackets and jeans and just like bigger, you know, items. So if you're looking for that, it's a great store. It's actually really good, the pricing. So I found a skirt, so that was really good. And then the Buffalo Exchange, the store I went to before, was also really good. It was like a consignment store, and I ended up finding just the one with jean dress that I loved, but it was like almost showed my butt, so obviously I didn't get that one. I needed to be like 5 feet tall to actually wear that dress in public. So sad. But anyways, I am going to a yarn store now, and then I think I want to try out this flea market. You guys recommended that I should go to Downtown Yarns, so that's where I'm headed. Downtown Yarns. I kind of feel like a donut. Do you feel like a donut? So with this yarn store, I got so lucky because they were doing a yarn crawl all across all the yarn stores in New York City. So they ended up having 10% off all the yarns. Unfortunately, I did not get to go to all the yarn stores just because I was kind of on a thrifting extravaganza, but I ended up making it to the Downtown Yarns, and I'm obsessed with this store. I wish I lived in New York City just for this yarn store, just because the colors, the type of yarn they had there was just incredible. Hi. So we're just gonna take a quick break from the video because today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. If you guys have not heard of Squarespace before, they are this amazing online platform where you guys can create your own professional website. Personally, I've been using Squarespace since I graduated from college and have been using it ever since. My absolute favorite thing about Squarespace is you can have an online store with physical products along with digital ones. But if you're not quite ready to sell anything and you still want to showcase your work, you can also use their online portfolio, and you can also add a password just to share it with a few people if you want. And for those who want to offer local pickup, you can do that with Squarespace. So anyone that wants to pick up locally, they can do so and choose it at checkout. Be sure to head to squarespace.com to start your free trial. And when you guys are ready to get your own website or domain, be sure to use my code JennaPhipps to get 10% off your website or domain. Another thing that is very incredible about New York is the amount of flea markets they have and just the quality of these flea markets. So the first one I went to was Ludlow's Flea Market, and I believe this one's from like Thursday to Sunday every single week. So it was a great one to go to. They had just these amazing vendors. They had amazing pieces. And at this point of my thrifting journey, I am still trying to not buy big things. So I am holding myself back on buying jackets or just oversized things like a sweater, jeans. I don't know why I'm trying to shop for summer even though I'm going into fall. But you'll see, as we go on, my mindset changes. But at this point, I'm just here being a looky-loo and appreciating all of the amazing pieces these vendors have found. Okay, for everyone that recommended the downtown yarns, it was incredible. I love that store. I would have bought so much yarn, but I know I already have way too many yarns. So I ended up just getting the one orange that you guys saw. And then after that, I went to Ludlow's flea market. I think that's what it's called. And that was also so cool. They had so many amazing things, like that one pink jacket I wanted so badly, but I don't have room in my suitcase, and I also don't need any more winter jackets, so I was good. I didn't get anything. I'm just trying to like hold and wait out for like those really amazing pieces while I'm here in New York. Now we're gonna try to get food because I'm hungry and I kind of feel like a donut.
No, it's
Do you guys feel like a donut? I feel like a donut.
It's a pot.
Okay, thank you to everyone who recommended that bookstore because that was really cool. Okay, it's finally donut time. We're going to Krispy Kreme. I'm so excited. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I see it. Goodwill. These are fancy. Is this like the stitch section? This is so cute. $20. Suit a long yellow jacket. What is this one? It's so big. I need to try this one on too. It's so warm. that Goodwill is officially my favorite thrift store. I have been here, been to, that's not English. Been to so far. There's kale here. You see the kale? There's kale on the ground. Is that kale? I'm pretty sure that's kale. Who planted kale outside the Goodwill? Because obviously it is. It's not like weeds. It's not just like growing there. So I don't know how it got there, but I'm just gonna say it. This Goodwill is officially my favorite store I have been to so far. Before it was L Train. Now this one's my favorite just because I just found a $500 jacket for $50 there. Yeah, it's like brand new. It is so soft. It is so beautiful. I'm so excited. And then I also found a dress for $30, which I think it's like 500. It's a lot. It's a 100% silk dress that I found. So it's worth a lot of money. I got it for $30. So I did really well there. I did real well. But right now we are going to eat. I'm hungry again. Even though I just had a donut, we didn't really have lunch. So yeah, food time.